Hello, today we will make an orange cake with you. Our ingredients are 2 oranges, 3 eggs, half a cup of liquid oil, a cup of milk, a cup of granulated sugar, a tablespoon of cocoa, vanilla and baking powder. First of all, peel the oranges. Put them in a blender and mix until the juice comes out. Let's break the eggs into the mixture and mix again. Then add 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of liquid oil, 1 tablespoon of cocoa, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and vanilla, and mix again. Pour the liquid oil. So that it does not stick to the inside of your cake pan, pour the mixture into your cake pan. Put the cake in the oven, which you have previously heated for a few minutes, and bake at 100 degrees for about 40 minutes. After about 40 minutes, remove the cake from the oven. The cake is ready. Bon appetit!